Hello everyone, today I'm making carrot couscous salad. It's very healthy and a full meal. First we'll mix spice mix. Add all the spices to a mortar like chili flakes, red chili powder, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, pepper mix, cumin powder, salt. Mix them together. Keep it aside. Now take a pan, add water, couscous, spice mixture. Now add mint leaves and leave to simmer for 10 minutes. You can see now it's fluffy and soft. Keep it aside. Now take a pan. Toast the sesame seed in a pan without oil. Keep it aside. Again take the pan. Add oil and saute chopped onion lightly. Keep it aside. In a pan and add butter in it. Add carrots. Couscous is a source of a fiber. It keeps you full for longer. It helps to keep lower cholesterol and reduce chances of heart disease. Do and try and add in your meal. Mix it. Add capsicums. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out my upcoming videos. Now add salt. Add water. Cover with the lid and boil it in a low heat until cooked through. If it is done, put 1/3 of carrot cubes in the bowl and the remaining carrots in other bowl or a plate. Now mash the remaining carrots with a potato masher or a fork. Now add this smashed carrot into the couscous. Add onions, mix it. If necessary, season it again. Now place it in a plate or a bowl. Top it with carrot cubes, cottage cheese or a feta cheese, and sprinkle sesame seeds. Now enjoy your salad. Do check my description box with the measurements of ingredients. Thank you for watching.